Alright, I'm off to a car show. It looks like it's raining back there though. So not sure if I'm gonna go. I'm gonna pull off to the side over here and check the forecast. I wasn't aware it was supposed to rain today, but it looks like it's raining quite hard behind me. I got caught up in the rain on this bike the day after I bought it. I don't want to have to go through that again. It wasn't really that bad, but I don't want my new jacket to get messed up. I was wearing my old jacket that I didn't really care about. I haven't done anything to waterproof this jacket yet. We'll just come on over here and have a look-see. Alright, so it looks like it's raining over there. For real, for real. So, gotta make sure that my thing is in. Alright. It says cloudy, no chance of rain. But I don't trust this because I'm outside right now and I definitely, yep, it is raining. Man, it's really hard to, there we go. Alright, so it's not going where I'm going, so I guess I'll chance my luck. Wonder if I should have worn my other shield. It's not as bright as I thought it would be because of the clouds. That helicopter up there. It's a strong banking turn that they were doing. Yeah, this dude's car is wet, so man, fuck Apple weather. This shit's wrong as fuck. If it's not raining, then why are people's cars wet? Anyways, I'm about to go meet up with one of my friends. I'm only gonna go out for a couple minutes, I guess. I had intended to go get tea afterwards, but I don't think that's gonna happen anymore. Going to some kind of car show. Believe it or not, I don't really give a shit about cars anymore. I'm just like, no fucks for me. Make sure nobody's about to hit me. Get over, or guess not. Not riding with my second camera angle today. I don't want to have to deal with all this shit going to this car show because I don't want to leave it all on while I'm out there and then have to reset it up. It's hot today. It's 36 degrees at the moment. And it won't get down to below 32 until around 10 o'clock tonight. Unless, of course, it rains, but even then, sometimes it's just hot rain. Why does this truck smell like piss? Or is it just over here in general? It smells like urine. How are they over here parading? Alright. Raindrops. At least 2 raindrops just hit my windshield. And I smell rain. I don't know if y'all know what the scent of rain smells like, but it's a very familiar scent to me down here in Houston. Guess we're gonna have a wet Ducati today. Guess it'll give me a reason to go wash the bike. I haven't actually washed it. I've only been using detail spray. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna get wet. Oh yeah, it's raining now. Useless ass weather. I don't, man. I normally don't even look at weather forecasts. I normally just look out. And I did look at the weather forecast. Oh yeah, we're not gonna. Yeah. I did look at the weather forecast, and no chance of rain. And it didn't even say it's raining. now my bike is going to be dirty from all this disgusting water on the street. So I actually have to wash it for real, for real. I can't just do my detail spray that I normally do.